ESSDi proudly presents Smart-Gen to garment and textile industry as a step of evolution in pattern making and garment manufacturing. ESSDi Smart-Gen not only has the ability to circumvent the conventional manual processes for pattern making, but also the designing and implementation processes of many CAD systems. Smart-Gen, automatic pattern generation by sheer typing measurements of a selected style. Now we are going to create complete set of graded patterns for round rib neck with cuff rib and bottom rib attachments by Smart-Gen. Select design where the user can type measurements for selected style. Now select the folders where all the pattern to be saved in. Select the style for which the patterns have to be created. Select the number of sizes and unit of measurements. Select all the necessary components for the selected style. Some parameters are not required to say waist, bottom, etc., since the system will automatically ascertain the values of those parameters. High level of mathematical calculation are involved to get the desired measurements for attaining the desired shapes to maintain the quality. This is what the time Smart-Gen takes to create all set of graded patterns for the style selected. Once the patterns are created by Smart-Gen in few seconds, we are moving to marker planning where we can find the best fabric consumption for the selected fabric width. More so, we also let ESSDi Super Marker to find the best width to get the best fabric saving. Using ESSDi Super Marker, all necessary markers for various components could be generated. Here we made 2 markers for body and rib fabric. Then, ESSDi Yarn will facilitate the user to have all necessary fabric planning for the distributing from sourcing yarn to cutting. ESSDi Yarn will provide total yarn requirement for the entire order quantity with planned ratio of sizes, let the user to get dyeing program, and finally, provide the cutting department a clean and neat well-planned report by way of providing markers and cutting room allocation chart, yarn-wise, color-wise, and marker-wise. So the entire process of garmenting is made quite easier using a sophisticated state-of-art technology ESSDi Smart-Gen with additional automated tools of ESSDi Super Marker and ESSDi Yarn. ESSDi CAD comprises of all technologies at par to present development to the technology globally. ESSDi CAD provides quality patterns reducing dependency of skilled labor and eases the user by and large. Thank you.